Yeah, TikTok Ghana no free, but Belgium no what's na ho and now it's na dini juma bibia na ababa we ne free na account na di just one a sexy vida na twese okon account na follow expire ta call live near there on say me man so pade efe to mu so call live sa na ya na
me man pade efe ti saying ade efe bia na
men are moved by what we see
e man pade efe
omo pay but me man pade efe more
esin say man pade efe
of course anything na be man be couple but we can appearance before we subai
me bo e man so pade efe sin me man
e man no women or ladies are moved by what they hear more than what they see.
Ebia the ujina so unyina so ntina meba asem na okan no nya man kire mu bia o se emema pade efe
yes
esin ema what generalize bibia
of course
but one say ye wo ema so owura oba bi dan mu da
oh yes
oba na bi enye se iska bi no wo sin ba owura ni dem a on say ni dem me fe pan sin wo dem
but let's compare oba ni dem mo fe to be man ni dem mo fe eno oba ni yonko ni be man no
about this idea, man, is idea first in me, man. Serious. I said, "Bana me gacho."
Well, but maybe him say men actually attracted to nice things.
Okay,
my face, you know. I think say ababa when a film, but the kobaya o film, you know, and chemu sheda mi. Now we and an interview be on Felix Koye, some years back, and one interview na samba and 10 times na in the video na uchema uwa. Ompesi ebesi ne Ghana obesi esi ne Belgium ti ochirema so oba Ghana kra no obewu ha obenya nke yentam ni funu no entu play mu nko Belgium nko sie no no ka so onyi ni se owu Ghana ha abusuan bebo sa aka no nemom ono de ode abawel no se ne ma ebenya sa ahoden na nko nko sie no Belgium ompesi ebesi no e wo Ghana mai mo anti sexy vida ehonsem eno no ananwumre me de etudwa amatifo
enti on Zion interview ni
betima interview ni nko tie kakra
wa yenkomra
wa obese si okuma se fanko Ghana
de mi wa me wela me ye ni de me man nti haya na ebesi but se me kuta international passport se me wu na insurance no me man support to the ometimi de maba but we dimi ngase be tena social media say wu ayen from free Ghana mla what be da se sika no me duro kra o man ko bobo gala we but me dream ni say me wu ayen from mla but anase me wu ha na me wu ha but me wu Ghana dia me guarantee obi amfa me mada but me really say nsie me ha but me fan she me trim say me wu de na me wu Ghana na ho ade maba na me ye gufuado there be but me mano e fight say yemfa me mla dia ani o musika ani insurance no
ono vida na o kan vida
yeah we say to make sure ho kakra of course just like banana kobe of course
yeah kai the last time we go kan Regina me gina ho wana na Regina mai bana Regina eti vida
na Rebecca iso Becky iso kan Becca
yeah
na ibia
unse no de eno na mse wan kan nyina o twa ne shot Rebecca na waka ne Becky eno no ati se Kobe na wanze kwabena na waka no Kobe eno no enye the same word na why the waka no different
vida was be kind of vida na
na waka ne vida when they different from Kobe na
emom de but eno ye medre
yeah, me kwa my say no. Me use vida.
Two of friends go there by. Mananya pets.
Wait, my use Regina.
When so at the pa.
And now be can Regina na.
Oh, Regina and the A2 regular.
Regina. Me the entity me mean can Regina no. The Gina be oh.
Me join. Oh, okay. Now say Gina Gina so I be can say.
Gina e Gina. Gina there. But we need
Regina.
On say can Regina.
The year in free Regina.
That Gina no. I am be adequate. Yeah. Soundy
yesterday.
Oh no.
Sir.
Enye. We are
oh yeah. Once it's a weather, of course.
Oh no. Regina.
Of course.
Until they re no free ho na ye no va.
Intime de va ne be show na eden.
Ebe eden.
Oh, can I make
a bed?
But it's a part of the human body. We should feel okay mentioning it.
Feel okay and say
so now come man can't join us.
No. O pese me can. Mama na ye clear ma say. Me
pese wo can men can say chairman men can pese wo can.
Okay, you na e school. Regina.
Yeah.
Yayi Rena free ho. Yano va. Ebe den.
Nti wo na ebe den. Sa me vida na me kan when I wo de China buy. Nti ebe den. VA now the China account. VA ni va. Now the China account is an ebe den.
Nti wo kan va no na minka China.
Va.
China.
Kanina will say it's a part of the human body.
Can you tear for so atiasi?
Be antiasi.
O can den.
Me can va.
China.
Va.
China. Say no. Sir. I don't know pese chijira me kanina.
Who kanina nke you? Cause send you see pronounce China no.
It's the same thing.
Send you board China no. What do you when come birthday too?
O can audience.
Can you hear?
O can audience.
Me can va.
China.
Va.
China.
Va.
China. My wajo yet password. And never compare.
Sir, yeah, password yeah na you go PM or despite media yeah your sister a media outlet.
Yeah.
One presenter or a friend in Halifax.
Yeah.
Now who's the entertainment now ochemo si onu obenya anka e ma hia ni bia nyensem hwedwuma da. Because as a media person or as a journalist, you need to be independent.
Yeah,
especially yes, or especially of course.
You say, "Oh, that's what mom
here for because the rest of your concentrating or talk or see a bit task has now what to say wunya be free more. At least will be more solid obeje. No crane also can you most kaka crebi obed divert free no crown on wako kadi ni so kan. Nti o trema o nsem no dodo na akatua dodo na so nje akatua ti solena na edi twitwa ye ho nti e basa no kre no okra mpa onka no kre no na odi atro
nti no ne kre no pa
nso no o chia
kan sem hu no sem
o se sikafo na ye nsem treasure sikafo is systematic
any my g
systematic
on your manager Osikani Philip
yes Osikani Philip of course yeah
where then u fa channel be mu na
Osikani systematic
Osikani my g o fa kwan ben so na fa ko ka tene jikakrawi na emfa anti yentie no
yentie mra
mo hia ni bia nya journalist
aseme na waka no ado hia fo bi ye journalist a mo
na se be bre ye nya fo na ye journalism
na se soleno yes mo se soleno a part of the profession
yes it is a soleno ka soleno so be influence the outro no fact.
Does it influence
journalists are generally underpaid, okay?
Okay.
So once journalists are generally underpaid in this country, people are not paid at all.
Okay.
The politicians who give these journalists some monetary gifts, they control them. It is in that context now make us say, we are ohieni, we are journalists. You are not helping Mbwa. You
asema okay, nimpu makada,
yeah. Was come the near about when you do your cousin in a
central human politicians here. Honum no copisca. Of course. Now, Sika da honum no Ghana have a beer. A Juma beer, Yentiaka beer.
And a day, what's sad in the coso. And you call
a Juma Kasiaka says a good board name. Was a Mojagatiaba. Entertainment allowance, you know.
Yeah.
Those kind of
but sometimes in so say sikana so but too much e be 20 pani team no was start any more be any so ye
no but omo no there omo je o say because I not go do no at the end of the month to command sikapocho obe things money and no omo no so omo je ba yeah I think say I was say uche obi aka ye no no
wow
asem no ye
and the main reason is that the media, we are supposed to educate, entertain, and inform. Until the moment you are educating and informing, that's the one kind of crime you are misleading the public. As a teacher, rural class, no one tried here. You are polluting the next generation to come. The next one, they say, impatience Ozokwo.
I mean, no say, Mamma or tie a play rule
by 4x4. Now Nigeria, yes, 10 beer.
What do I then?
Or say, Sarro now or tie play in movies no
by 4 rule.
Yes, I had no much idea. I made them.
By Ghana, Uncle,
Chiwa,
yeah. Up to now, meaning so or by 4
no, when you buy yeah. Also, most of those people in real life do not very godly, or more very calm. Some serious. Yeah, because playing that role when you're spiritual.
Apostle John Pra.
Yeah.
So you're so
yeah.
In movies, you know, role I'll play
yeah. Oh, yes, we need.
Yeah. And now, Ubano. Real life and so it's Sana Miss Mafachi
but well we say by ye dear we ain't me for your new as of you might able to me say you can but by ye dear
I think president cause it
or say I had much dear Yamedia mano or yes sad and say be a man for be who say would bonia encourage ye did that role now play and you say be away by four and bibisa
boy format
of course but me who say
now who guys will be to my expose you or monafi. Well,
that is why I'm saying it's a role is a one spiritual a bad thing so bit
more so the demand and in that case be bit man yes some kind of protection be
yeah the uncle na into us
well, God kept that niche for me to be able to I think is to expose every ill. God created me to expose them. I hate injustice. I hate war. I hate anything that shows rancor.
Precious as I was saying, Yamene demand. Yeah, you go on next story.
The next one, shut up first. Last week, you had a thief when him say shut up show no. I don't care. Basketball stampede as a fans no could boo fast so maybe pray. Now no, and now crab call pray. Oba program nasi pray. Shut up call aqua costrano as rebuciano. Na wako akwacha boy no na chese odru ye no na chese ohwe boy ni situation of woman no cause a boy ni to ne nyom ba ko no wontie
okay
and ohwe obi o talent no to shata wale nyom word for word na shata ni agise
wow
to chene ni ma bebre woman ni sika e man flowers na osan man gift card
okay
gift card crash o onye na un trade
okay
o trade obi nyeska bebre na shata we no kan sem bebre e fa
is a bit man ya feeling
yes yenkutie na yento aso informative for.
Okay, I'm the all corner here. To have cameras. Yeah. And to wait my join in after 5:30. Now fi when you feeling or SOMPA FM live on YouTube. Obekona update no on wait me. Mike, what we are now?
I can last one.
Okay.
Now when him say about Ghana ha the landlord of Ghana music. Kabute. Chama na
Kabute no ope. What is offering Kabute? Okay.
Me riasima onipa miensa. And I'm here die hard supporters of. The first person there be. The first person I'm here die hard fan of me Ankasa. I'm a fan of myself. The second person Messi. So we name that.
Okay.
The third person Obede Pombede.
Okay.
Kabute. So I need permission. I don't joke with them.
Okay.
Yes.
I was saying.
Wakasa na sako de say so plan bia or die so be won any so di hunu bia any so catch amanfo. To make us stop telling everybody your plans. No system I say me talk out me kra me ne deal na di nkomo so me fra 1 billion bra or so sad no e see echa
ade kan na eden
who say sometimes no say ade na enye confirm now can who say nyo bia obeti sa asem ni bia na ye ne de
okay
obi ho when because mani agama but deep down we ha no the person betimi work kra ma sa dem emma so
betimi work against
of course you know spiritually no ye adwuma you know stop telling people your plans enye bibia na here announcement say wo be ye bibia enye bibia na wo so okika man for neman bi we say okoste kusenyina hwe team so we wie na say e dead dia nipa na ankasa be dey e be hu sa de krono nti sa ko dey futu akwa ma ye nyina say stop telling everybody your plans nye bibia any here announcement neman bi wo ho a you